Farm Urban started in 2014 and we're a social enterprise, and our founders, Paul and Jens, really came together around wanting to change the food system. The way we currently produce food is really not great for the planet, so wanting to explore different ways to do that. The way that we grow using hydroponics is an environmentally friendly way of growing in urban spaces. So because we grow vertically upwards, we don't need a lot of space, and that makes it a great way to grow in city areas. So for us, a lot of that is not about completely changing the way we're going to produce all of our food, but by bringing some of the stuff that perishes really quickly into city areas, it means that we need less of that land in more rural spaces for sort of mass scale food production. What we're doing at the moment with the Greens for Good campaign, we're getting boxes out to businesses, and we're hoping to extend that to homes in the city centre as well. So as I said, this is all about supporting a way of food growing that is trying to do it in a way that's better for the environment. It's highly experimental what we're doing here, so when people support us, they're supporting the research that we're doing to take place as well. But they're supporting a way of growing that is trying to reconnect people with food, and as I said, kind of really focus on food, what food should look and taste like. I mean, you can see behind me here, these are beautiful looking lettuces, which is not the kind of thing we usually get on our supermarket shelves.
The reason that we're able to grow in these places is that we're using really efficient LED lighting, so that they're quite new, and it's what's made this type of business possible. So they're super efficient, very low energy, and they provide all the light that the plant needs to grow. And there's actually research showing that we can actually change the different frequencies of light that we're using to really improve how the plants grow, to make them grow faster, to make them grow better. But it's those lights that have made this kind of urban farming possible, where you can grow down here in the middle of a basement. So this is the irrigation system, the sump, and we have kind of 3 lots of chemicals down here. We have 2 lots of grow solution, and there's a computer here that's measuring the levels of the solution in there, and then it's adding the grow solution as we need it, bit by bit. And then because it changes how acidic or how alkaline it is, we have a tub of acid there, and there's another computer that's kind of dosing in little bits of acid just to make sure that the level is kept absolutely perfect. So it's exactly what the plants need. So that water's being pumped up all around the plants. The lettuce that you get from a local supermarket is probably at least a week old by the time you get it, and it's travelled many hundreds of miles. This lettuce, you picked it a few seconds ago, it's still basically alive, it's still super fresh.
Good. It's good.